15 years of business leadership.
Welcome back. Now, perhaps, hopefully, we'll be able to hear Prabhat Agrawal, the CEO of Alkem Laboratories, a stock that has had a fabulous listing, 30% higher than the offer price. Prabhat, congratulations. Can you tell us what are the growth prospects for the company now? What kind of sales and margins can we expect in FY17?
Yeah, if you look at last 5 years, the company has delivered a top-line growth of around 22.3%, with a strong growth coming from both domestic markets of around 17.5% and from international markets around 45.5%. The first 6 months results of the company for this year is also in line with the historical trends, and we are very confident about the future growth of the company given the investments that we have made in the past in both domestic and international markets, the strong competitive positioning that we enjoy in domestic markets. So all these investments and our brands and competitive position gives us a strong advantage to deliver good growth rates for future.
Okay, Prabhat, the one thing that analysts have been a bit concerned about is the volatility in your margins. In the first half of FY16, you managed to reach 17% margins. What is the expectation for the second half of the year and also for FY17?
Yeah, the margins in the last few years were depressed because of certain reasons. One of the most important reasons for that was, our investments in international markets where we filed around 69 ANDAs, but 2/3 of our portfolio could not get commercialized and is waiting for approval from US FDA. Also, we made investments in certain therapy areas in domestic market. So as these investments turn around, we expect our margins to expand going forward. First 6 months of the results gave a view of that. The first 6 months of the result didn't have any one-off, but I would say that traditionally in the pharma domestic market, the first 6 months of the year are traditionally stronger than the next 6 months.
So have these investments in the US chronic therapies business that you just spoke about, have they reached break-even?
Yeah. Those business are at at SBO level they are pretty profitable. After allocation of all R&D costs and others, they are above break-even levels.
Okay, Prabhat, thank you very much for joining us with all those details and all the very best. We also have Mr. Arvind Lal, the Chairman and Managing Director of Lal Path Lab.